Edgars from Funneltopia here. A quick little update related to dashboards. Now you can manage the dashboard time zone. You can set an actual time zone for a specific dashboard. And the reason why I'm making this video is because there have been some discrepancies in numbers between different people that have access to the same dashboard. They come from different time zones, right? Because the definition of what is the end of the day, what is this specific day, is different for different people. So one person might report, 17 contacts added today, but another one might report, or see like 15 contacts added that day, right? So there's differences because their day ends at a different time and starts at a different time. So this will be like an immediate fix for that and bring more consistency to the data across the board for anyone who has access to the specific dashboard, no matter where they're from. So yeah, it's just a quick little video. Make sure to go and set up the time zone, whichever one fits for your business, right? Whichever is the correct one. Just kind of settle on that. And yeah, if you have any questions at the bottom here, 24/7 chat support, let us know. Anything related to this, although this is pretty simple, but anything Funneltopia related, let us know and we'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.